Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Home Assistant and enable remote access securely. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for your Home Assistant installation. Press the Enter key to navigate to the page. Once the page loads, you will see the login screen. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Click on the Login button to access your dashboard. Once logged in, locate the Configuration option in the sidebar. Click on Configuration to open the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, find and select Cloud. In the Cloud section, look for the option to enable remote access. Click on the toggle switch to enable remote access. You may be prompted to create an account if you haven't done so. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Once your account is created and linked, check the status of remote access. Make sure it shows as active to confirm that remote access is enabled. Next, ensure you set up secure access by configuring SSL. Navigate to the Settings menu again, then select General. Here, find the SSL options and click to configure. You can use Let's Encrypt or another SSL certificate provider for this purpose. Follow the provided instructions to acquire your SSL certificate. After setting up SSL, verify that it is correctly installed. Finally, test your remote access by navigating to your Home Assistant URL from a different network. Confirm that you can log in securely from that location. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.